an admitted killer allowed to stay out on bond despite pleading guilty to murder months ago.
And today, police say he killed again, this time his girlfriend, before turning the gun on himself.
The murder-suicide now raising questions about why he wasn't immediately jailed after confessing to the first murder. ABC 13's Jessica Willey joins us live, and we can't really recall a situation quite like this one, Jessica.
Yeah, and especially not ending up like this. You know, when a defendant is convicted of murder at trial, he or she is usually taken straight into custody. But when it's a guilty plea, as was the case for Austin Collette, he was allowed to remain out of jail on bond. Well, today, Houston police say he killed his girlfriend here at this downtown apartment building and then killed himself. A welfare check at 1810 Main Street turned into a SWAT scene this morning, with HPD's robot dog making an appearance. Inside one of the apartments, Houston police say Austin Collette fatally shot his girlfriend and then shot himself. All of it happening while Collette, a confessed killer, was waiting to see how much prison time he'd get.
It's a major stressor event, being charged with multiple felonies. It can lead to homicide, suicide. People don't think very clearly when they're facing a large stressor event like that.
Court records show Collette pleaded guilty in December in the 2019 murder of a man during a drug buy. He has been out on bond under house arrest for more than 4 years, picking up bond violations and another felony drug charge along the way. Even with a pending guilty plea and a criminal history dating back to when he was 12, Collette was allowed 4 more months of freedom as he awaited sentencing, with a pre-sentence investigation hearing scheduled for April 21st.
It should not have taken nearly this long to prepare a PSI. It's composed of the offense report, the defendant's version of events if he or she elects to speak, maybe character letters. That's it.
Collette's attorney tells ABC 13 it's not unusual for defendants to remain on bond until they're sentenced.
I could think
KTRK legal analyst Brian Weiss says the court, in this case Judge Hillary Unger, could have also sent him to jail, or the state could have filed a motion to have him taken into custody, neither of which happened in this case.
This defendant was not eligible for probation. This defendant was going to the penitentiary. This defendant would not be able to appeal whatever sentence was handed down. That's part of the paperwork. This defendant knew that he would serve 50% of whatever prison time he got before he took a peek at the parole board. What could go wrong, what went wrong today, is that he killed another human being.
And Collette's attorney says that some of those bond violations were just GPS ankle monitor connection issues. But take a look at this. For his latest violation just this past weekend, they didn't know where he was for 12 hours. Pretrial services chalked it up to metal flakes getting in the way and preventing his GPS device from charging properly. All of these details when considering what to do with the bond violation. In this case, the court decided no action was needed. Now, the name of Collette's girlfriend, his latest victim, has not been released, and his family members here on scene today declined to comment. We're live in downtown. Jessica Willey, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.